Good morning, good afternoon, everyone. Good evening for some of you. It just depends when you're watching this video. I want to apologize because I supposed to be uploading this video yesterday, but for some reason I couldn't work with my cell phone camera, so I also couldn't upload any videos on YouTube for some reason. But I'm doing it today, so hopefully it works. And how this is gonna work, I'm gonna pick 3 names out of my YouTube subscribers. I'm gonna pick another 3 names out of the comments on YouTube, and I'm gonna pick 5 names out of my Facebook page, Vintage Brush by Estefania. So that's how, and I'm gonna put them on a piece of paper. I'm gonna put those names in the little bowls, and I'm gonna put them on the hat. I'm gonna pick 5 names out of the hat. Those are not gonna be the winners. And I'm gonna pick the remaining 2. Those are gonna be the winners of the crockett pot and the electric skillet. So I already picked the names. I'm gonna start with the first one. This first one is not gonna be the winner. David Mascareño. You're not gonna be the winner this time, but thank you for being part of this raffle. The second name I got here is Barbara Garcia. This is a follower from YouTube. That's the second one. You're not the winner. Let's pick the third one. Sara Trejo. This time you're not the winner, but thank you for participating. So we are going 3. This is the 4th one. And this is from a comment. Her name is Olivia. You're not the winner this time. I don't know if you guys can see Olivia. And the first prize will be for this person. So it should be the electric skillet. So this person will get the electric skillet. Good luck, everyone. So let's see who wins it. Cindy Palacios. Cindy Palacios, you win the electric skillet. I think I got you from the Vintage Brush page. You comment and then you said you did the 3 steps. So Cindy Palacios is the winner of the electric skillet. This one, I'm just gonna make a little more nervous and circumstantial like crazy. I'm gonna pick one name. This is not gonna be the winner. The second one will be the winner of the crockett pot. Scary. Flaquis Flores, you're not the winner. Okay, now let's get to the real person. This person is gonna win the crockett pot. Let's see who it is this time. Alexis Meyer. Alexis Meyer, you are the winner of the crockett pot. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna try to connect with Cindy Palacios and Alexis Meyer. If I don't get to connect to you, please connect to me or send me a message, email, or anything. I'm gonna try to find you on my Facebook page, but if that for some reason didn't happen, I'm gonna pick someone else from the hat or from my YouTube followers, and that's gonna be the other person. But right now I'm gonna try to connect for Cindy Palacios and Alexis Meyer. So those 2 are the winners. Thank you guys for participating. I might probably be soon uploading with the what's it called? The vanity and the dining set. So I don't know yet what I'm gonna do because we just reached 823rd followers. We haven't reached 2,500 for some reason. But yeah, I'm just gonna upload another video saying what's going on with that. Unfortunately, that we didn't reach the 2,500. So I'm just thinking and planning how I'm gonna deal with those two. So stay tuned and keep watching, and thank you guys for participating. Bye bye.